Hey, what's up, everybody? So it looks like the United States Mint is going to be pounding out them 2020 Bullion Strike American Silver Eagles. So let's take a look at the article and see exactly what they're talking about. But it says Mint may expand bullion strikings for American Eagles. It says a dramatic rise in American Eagle silver bullion coin demand is pushing the U.S. Mint to look at producing additional coins at facilities beyond the West Point Mint. As investment demand rises for American Eagle silver bullion coins, U.S. Mint officials are considering adding production for the 2020 silver bullion coins at the San Francisco and Philadelphia Mint to augment West Point Mint output. You know what would be really awesome is if they don't only just mint these at the San Francisco and Philadelphia Mint, but if they put labels in the boxes and add a tracking number to the box to match the label inside of it, and if everybody can send them off to NGC and PCGS and any other grading company of your choice, and then you can get the fancy label on the slab that says minted at San Francisco and Philadelphia, and then you can increase the price from $40 per American Silver Eagle to $150 or maybe even $200 per American Silver Eagle. Wouldn't that be awesome? No, not really. But I bet a lot of people will fall for that, just like they fell for the minted in Philadelphia earlier in the year and a couple years ago. Same nonsense. To me, these coins are not even worth the $40 that these dealers are selling them for. They are worth, to me, about 17 bucks. That's what I would pay. Everything is worth what someone else is willing to pay, and I'm willing to pay $17. So if you're in the market to sell and you can't find anybody else, I will buy them for $17 US dollars, real money, cash, fiat. Let me know if you're interested. Anyway, that prospect was broached by Bureau officials July 23rd during a conference call to address purchasing projects with the 12 purchasers worldwide who are authorized to buy U.S. Mint struck bullion coins. The Philadelphia Mint already produced an emergency run of 240,000 American Silver Eagle bullion coins between April 8th and April 20th, when the West Point Mint was shuttered due to that crazy little virus safety measures. The San Francisco Mint, too, was closed from March 18th to until May 4th because of that crazy little virus executive order by that wacky Governor Newsom. 9 of the 12 authorized purchasers are in the United States, 2 are in Germany, and 1 is located in Japan. We all should be authorized as most of the people watching this video, maybe not everybody, but most of the people watching this video is tax-paying citizens. Our tax dollars probably go towards funding the United States Mint. Maybe, maybe not, but I believe that is probably the case. And we should be able to purchase from the United States Mint directly. That is my opinion. Let me know your opinion in that comment section below. Terry Hanlon, president of one of the firms, Dillon Gage Metals in Texas, lauded the Mint for taking the initiative to address future bullion coin needs and better plan production and distribution. The authorized purchasers have already dealings with sharp reductions in allocations because of previous production restrictions. In the July 23 conference call, U.S. Mint officials looked at adding American Eagle silver bullion coin production at 2 of the 3 facilities beyond the West Point Mint. Ryan Valdez, head of sales and trading worldwide for Dillon Gage, said the U.S. Mint is hoping to at least double its output, roughly 400,000 American Silver Eagle bullion coins every 2 weeks, to 400,000 every week. Wow. Tom Power, president of U.S. Mint's primary vendor for American Silver Eagle planchets, Sunshine Minting in Idaho, said the firm has no problem supplying the mint with sufficient silver planchets. Power noted that in recent years, Sunshine has provided the U.S. Mint with a higher number of planchets while also supplying the planchets to other government mints and private mints. Sunshine also provides the U.S. Mint with 5-ounce 3/9 fine silver planchets for the bullion and uncirculated 3-inch America the Beautiful quarter dollars. U.S. Mint spokesman Michael White told Coin World July 29th that the U.S. Mint has produced and sold almost 1 million more ounces of bullion during the 2020 fiscal year than in the same period of fiscal year 2019 through fiscal year 2019 through June 15th to 233,000 ounces, fiscal year 2020 through June 16th, 172,000 ounces. The federal fiscal year begins on October 1st. The Mint has shipped 604,000 more ounces of silver bullion, 318,000 more ounces of gold bullion, and 17,000 more ounces of platinum bullion this year compared to the same time last year. According to White, the Mint facility at West Point has been at full production staffing since July 13th and is producing bullion at levels attained prior to taking measures to reduce the risk of employees' exposure to COVID. Additionally, the Mint facility at San Francisco has been at full production staffing since July 13th and is producing 2020 numismatic products. Hanlon says the U.S. Mint is taking the steps to be prepared for the long term. Every dealer on each step of the ladder in the bullion chain is having to make serious decisions to plan for future acquisitions and sales, balance and inventory, and cash flow, Hanlon said. During these challenging phases, the U.S. Mint has taken more incentive to meet demand than any other sovereign mint, Hanlon said. In some instances, split shipments are being instituted. The U.S. Mint allocations are so low that no one is even closely meeting the public demand, Hanlon says. There is not much selling into the market of either silver products or gold, despite rising prices. And then they go on to say that it looks like the half-ounce, quarter-ounce, and even the 10th-ounce gold American Eagles will be limited. And then it says authorized purchasers, unless under restrictions, are required to place a minimum order with the U.S. Mint for 1,000 American Eagle silver bullion coins. The Mint charges spot price of silver. Now, this is key. This to me is key, and this is going to be the last part that we read of this article. But it says the Mint charges spot price of silver on the London market plus a premium of $2.35 per coin, okay? So spot price and their premium, the authorized purchaser's premium is $2.35. However, when silver tanked in March, they wanted to sell to us, these authorized purchasers wanted to sell to us for, what was it? I believe it was $26, $27, $28 a piece. When silver tanked to $12. It was somewhere around $12. It didn't stay there very long, but it stayed there long enough. It stayed there about a day or so, where it was at 12 bucks, but we could not benefit from that low spot price because they had like a $15 premium on it. It was very, very crazy. However, if you look at the sales history from the United States Mint of the silver bullion, American Silver Eagles, you'll see that in March, the authorized purchasers bought up over 5 million of them because it was so low. So they were only paying what, probably 13, 14, maybe $15 at the most, with that $2.35 premium. I think we should all be able to buy from the United States Mint with our tax dollars, buy from the United States Mint, and pay that same premium of $2.35. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. As for me, all this means is that the 2020 American Silver Eagles are going to be worth just that much less in the future. Because if you go and look at 2016, in 2016, the U.S. Mint sold 40 million American Silver Eagles. That's a lot. That's a huge number. And they just have less premium than a lot of the other ones because they sold so many and there's so many out there. They are very plentiful. That's going to be the same thing, most likely, in my opinion, for 2020. They are just going to be that much more plentiful. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Appreciate everybody for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to everybody on my next video. Thanks a lot, everyone.